If you're looking for reliable replacement styluses for your Jot writing tablet, the Jot 8.5 Stylus 4-pack offers exactly what you need. These styluses are designed to fit perfectly with the 8.5-inch writing surface, ensuring seamless use every time you pick up your Boogie Board. Each pack includes 4 styluses in different colors: orange, gray, pink, and blue, each with a sleek black body. While the colors won't change the writing color on your LCD tablet, they make it easy to keep track of your stylus, especially when sharing with family or friends during game nights or creative sessions. These styluses are lightweight yet sturdy, crafted from durable materials that provide a comfortable grip. The design mimics the natural feel of pen on paper, making your writing or drawing smooth and effortless. This combination of comfort and durability means you get a dependable tool that lasts through frequent use. What sets these replacement styluses apart is their authentic quality. Made by Boogie Board, they meet high standards to deliver a consistent and natural writing experience. Whether you're replacing worn-out tips or adding extras for convenience, you can trust these styluses to perform like the originals. Users across the United States have praised these styluses for their reliability. One parent mentioned how great it is to have backups for their kids' Boogie Boards, highlighting that these replacements match the original pens perfectly. That kind of dependable performance matters when you want to keep the creativity flowing without interruption. If you're ready to enhance your Boogie Board experience, this 4-pack of Jot 8.5 styluses is worth a look. They offer the right balance of comfort, durability, and color variety to suit different users and occasions. Plus, having extras on hand means you're always prepared, whether for yourself or to share. Don't settle for less when it comes to your writing tools. These replacement styluses keep your Jot writing tablet working smoothly and comfortably. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your setup or keep your family's creative sessions going strong.